What's going on, guys? Miguel with Purple Flare Wraps. I haven't made a YouTube video in about 9 months. We've been making a lot of changes to our shop. So I'm gonna start outside today and gonna give you guys a shop tour. If you follow our YouTube channel, obviously you're gonna see this first and you will see the difference right as I flip the camera. We have just moved to our new location. So we are now Purple Flare Auto Styling, located at the same address, 7585 Commercial Way. However, we're in Suite G. Suite G, we used to be right down there where you see that, let's see if I can zoom in, where you see that dumpster over there. That was Suite C, so that's where we used to be. We're within walking distance to the new shop. Moved to Suite G, we got double the space, and we built a very, very nice facility. I'm gonna show you guys what we got going on, as we also provide a tour of the shop on this video. I'm gonna start with this Porsche 928S. It's an old school car. We're gonna be doing a paint correction and a ceramic coating. That being said, I'm gonna start with some news. We're no longer with Expel. As you see me wearing the Ceramic Pro shirt, we are using Ceramic Pro for ceramic coatings and some PPF. We're giving our clients options. So we're doing good, better, best when it comes to everything. So we are discussing with 3M. We're using 3M PPF and 3M window tint, as well as we still have some stock from Expel. In between the transition, we bought some GeoShield. All good brands, but we are letting the customer pick and offering a good, better, best model. So we're gonna have Ceramic Pro PPF, Ceramic Pro ceramic coatings, 3M ceramic coating, 3M PPF, 3M window tint. And then we have a brand called Kepler Coatings that provides a phenomenal window tint at a little bit of a lower price point than 3M. We're gonna offer both of those, or we might become a 3M Pro shop. I just had the 3M rep here in my office discussing that. I think I have the business card with me. Anyways, I'm in the sun for no reason. This 928 is gonna get a full body, 2-step paint correction and a ceramic coating. You will be able to see the transformation on our Instagram, maybe on our YouTube channel. Maybe I'll make it its own YouTube video. This Audi is here for window tint. This Porsche is here for window tint. This is from Ralph. Ralph from JPR Automotive. They're your BMW specialist down on Eastern and Patrick. Amazing work, amazing guys, amazing shop. Been in business for like 25 years. That Lamborghini Euros has color PPF. That is a Purple Flare Wraps Euros. Color PPF, windshield PPF, ceramic coating, ceramic window tint, the whole nine all around. Now let's go into the shop, show you guys what everything looks like. This van, we just removed the wrap. The paint was in terrible shape when we first did it. The customer is just selling it, if anybody's interested. Now, first look at the shop. You been helped? Need a signature? Cool. So this is the lobby. Hey, can you get it taken care of? Let's go around. I kind of show the front first. We have a customer only restroom there. Kind of take a lot of pride in my office. I'm gonna show it real quick just because I have a really cool wall wrap. So this is my office. Got a Porsche in the wall, as well as just a nice regular office. Here's our print production area. So we got our, so you can see right here, Ceramic Pro PPF, we got 3M PPF. We just did a Cybertruck in GSWF PPF. Their gloss black PPF was phenomenal. This one is a different brand. I don't remember exactly which one, but this is color PPF. You see it in the Mustang in the back. And then we have Graphtec cutting plotter, where obviously we do our cutting of PPF, window tint, etc. We got 2 HP printers, laminator, cutting table. Let me go around real quick. Don't want to make the video too long. And then we have employee-only restroom, storage room where we stock all of our materials. And this is the back. So we have a social media / delivery area. So we have this beautiful light. You see it on our Instagram. So we place the cars here for clients to pick up and to do our social media. And then this is the shop. So it's double the space. We got our commercial vehicles as usual, getting done. Got some color changes happening. So this is a KPMF matte Java brown, full color change on this Mercedes SUV. You can see the quality of the installation and the workmanship. Door handles, everything was removed prior to installation. The mirrors are still not done. Hey Chris.
Yes, sir.
The mirrors are still not done on this car. Just so you know. Here we got this Lamborghini Huracan. This one is getting a color change wrap removal and a color change wrap replacement. So this one's gonna go with kind of like a candy apple red, full color change. This car has some paint defects, so we're removing all the wrap, sanding down and polishing the paint, then re-wrapping it. We got a Porsche Taycan in, 0 miles from the dealership, getting a full frontal paint protection film as well as ceramic window tint. So you can see the tint has been installed. PPF hasn't been done yet, as the PPF guy is working on a Lamborghini Urus, which we'll get to right now. Let's check out the tint quality. This car still needs a wash prior to PPF installation. This one has the windshield done as well in 50%, as well as the side windows done in 20. That's my favorite shade, by the way. This one, Cancer Foundation van. They got a van donated by Auto Nation. Great deed, and we're removing all the wrap. The wrap was really beat up. We're gonna be rewrapping it for an event they have this weekend. As you can see, just a ton of adhesive left on the hood. So this still has a bunch of texture right here, but he's removing it and redoing it. We got Sierra Air getting a rewrap as well. Some material we just got delivered. Again, you guys are getting a tour of the shop as well as showing you guys our work. This van is from Fancy Pants. We had done it about 4 to 5 years ago. Got sunburn, damaged, lack of proper care. Customer came back. Customer had moved to a different state with worse weather. They just came back to town, having the van fully redone. This excursion. We just did the upholstery on the seats. Did a full color change in white. Added those decals. We're adding a ceramic coating as well, and that will be going home today. We got these 2 commercial wraps going down here as we speak. This is a full color change. I believe this is 3M gloss black vinyl. Don't quote me on it. It might be Avery or it might be cheetah wrap. I just don't remember. But we did some sanding on this car. The paint was in terrible shape, so we sanded it down, smoothed it out, and here we are. This Porsche, it's actually a good example. You could just continue. What about your day? This one we did actually a full frontal PPF maybe about 6 months ago. And it looks like I'm lying because you can't see any edge of the film. Let's go ahead and zoom in right here. And you can see, there you go. You can barely see that edge right there, because the front end was done right. We are now, the customer just brought it back to tint the windows. So we are doing the window tint as we speak. The front end had been done. The customer came back. So the front end was done 6 months ago. He came back a week ago. We did the chrome delete. So the window trim on this car is chrome. So now he came back a week later. We're doing the tint, and we're actually blacking out this area here. Now this Urus is getting a full frontal PPF. We use the ceramic Pro PPF on this one. Full front end PPF, ceramic window tint, and we're doing some of the trim areas there with the black trims on PPF as well. This one is getting delivered today. And now here we have our light tunnels. So this Mustang got powder coated wheels, heavy paint correction. You can see the shine on that thing. Holy shit. This is Ceramic Pro ceramic coating. So we're doing a layer of Ceramic Pro 9H, a layer of top coat with ceramic coated the wheels. We also powder coated the wheels, which I'll show you guys. This Ceramic Pro is amazing. So the wheels are ceramic coated as well. You can see the powder coating was done, so it's a 2-tone. We got the silver with the satin black. It's just a beautiful setup. See, the paint just looks perfect, and he's not even done with the coating on this side with the top coat. And last but not least, we've got this Mustang Mach-E getting a full color PPF. It's getting basically a midnight purple. The gloss level on this. And the reason for this light tone is just so you can see everything. The installers see every single detail as they're doing the work. This color PPF is going to provide a 10-year protection on this vehicle against any type of rock chips and any type of damage. So it's not only restyling the car and making it look one of a kind with this midnight purple, which looks amazing, and I love it because it's purple, but it's also going to provide protection against rock chips, bird poop, acid fallout, etc. This car will be protected for 10 years. That is, and then here we have a Cyber Quad, my son's Cyber Quad. That is a full tour of the shop, guys. I hope you guys liked it. We appreciate anybody that has given us business throughout the years, which is how we are able to move into this bigger shop. We appreciate every client that has a vehicle here, has given us a vehicle throughout the years. Obviously, as usual in all my videos, I like to thank God as well as you guys for the business. And if you're in the Las Vegas, Henderson, North Las Vegas, or any kind of, near us, we would love to take care of you. Give us a call, Purple Flare Wraps, 677-4200. We're located at 7585 Commercial Way. And we would just love to take care of you, whether you need ceramic coating, window tint, PPF, color change, commercial wrap. Maybe you just want to say hi, pop in. You can see some cool cars. We always have some cool cars and some cool projects here. And we guarantee you the best possible service. That's 100% the one thing I would say. Best service you would ever get, pair with a great install, if not the best install you will get. But get best service, 100% guarantee. Obviously, as installers, and when it comes to installing a film, there is sometimes imperfections in the paint, maybe on the paint correction. If you have way too many scratches, you're not gonna get that perfect finish, but we guarantee you that it's gonna look 100 times better. It's gonna look 90% better, 100% better. We're gonna do our best. We're always gonna do our best. We're gonna give you a very competitive price. We're gonna give you transparent pricing up front, and a great service. Check out our Google reviews. We stand behind our work. Check out our Google reviews. You see how satisfied our customers are. Check out our work on Instagram. And just pop in. I didn't show you guys the conference room, design room. So we have an area where we will show you all the colors, show you what your car will look like on your car before making a decision. Anyways, Miguel with Purple Flare Wraps. Thank you guys for watching this video. Look forward to serving you guys.